Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside. Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
And we hope everyone's having a great day. This is Tuesday afternoon here in northwest Georgia, and looks like we're fixing to get another storm tonight. So we hope we don't we, Marie?
We do.
But
we are fixing a fast and easy meal tonight. It's called cream cheese chicken. And it's got, over here, let's see, we've got some bacon that Kevin's fixing to fry up. Yep. We also have some chicken breast tenders. And we're making this for two, aren't we,
just
Kevin?
For two people
we're
today.
We're cutting it down. And then it's got salt, and it's got pepper and flour and onion. And this onion actually smells good, but sometimes I like to smell onions and sometimes I don't. And then we've got some red bell pepper, we've got garlic and chicken broth and Italian seasoning and paprika and cream cheese and parsley for garnish. And you can serve this over pasta, rice, or mashed potatoes. And so I'm serving, Kevin's going to serve mine today over pasta, and you're going to serve yours over mashed potatoes, right?
Yeah, I think I like the sound of it over potatoes, and you wanted pasta.
Yeah.
So we're going to do both of those today.
I bet just about everyone has these ingredients in their pantry, and they could just whip this up in a flash.
Mm-hmm. So, okay, I'm sorry.
Go ahead. So Kevin, he's got our bacon in there, and he's frying it up right now.
Okay, I just turned it on, so it's going to take a few minutes, but the first step one, is to go ahead and get the bacon cooked, browned, and I'm going to remove it from the pan. So that's going to take a few minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to turn the cameras off, and we'll be back with you very shortly. Okay, we're back, everyone, and the bacon looks like it's done, so Marie's going to go ahead and take that out. Okay.
So now then I'm going to salt and pepper the chicken.
I think we mentioned this already, but we are using chicken tenders. You can use chicken breast if you want to, but for us, chicken tenders cost a little less. We usually get a pack with 6. We'll divide into just 2 things of 3, and these have been in the freezer. And then when we need them, we just get them out and cook them, don't we? Right?
Yeah, and you also can do both sides, but just for we've already patted our chicken dry and rinsed it. Some people rinse their chicken and some don't, but I researched it and it really said, from what I read, that it's better not to spread the bacteria around, but everyone can prepare their food the way they want to. So there we go. I got that done now, and I'm going to rinse my hands. And Kevin, you can watch the chicken until I get that.
I'll keep an eye on it for you.
Okay.
You want to let the chicken cook. The recipe calls for about 5 to 6 minutes, but if you're using chicken breast, it may take that long. But we're just going to let this cook maybe about 4 minutes on each side. So while this is cooking, we'll go ahead and turn the cameras off, and we'll be back with you in just a few minutes.
Okay, I'm back, and the chicken has been cooking a little more than 4 minutes on each side. So now I'm going to take it out of the pan. And I'm going to add in my vegetables. I'm going to add in my onion. And my bell pepper, and I'm going to saute these for about 4 minutes until they become soft.
And we've got our sides already started cooking over here. Hopefully they'll be done about the same time. So we'll be back with you shortly.
Okay, my vegetables have been cooking for about 4 minutes. So now then I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of garlic, and I'm going to cook this for about a minute. That garlic really smells good too. Okay, so now then I'm going to add in the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to add in some chicken broth. And my paprika, and this right here is Italian seasoning. Okay, let me give this a good stir. Okay, so now then I'm going to add in my cream cheese. Okay, I'm going to keep stirring this until this incorporates in the broth and the vegetables. Okay, this will take just a few minutes, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, my sauce has come up to a simmer now, and so I'm going to put my chicken in and cook it for about 5 minutes. Oops. I'm going to turn my burner down just a little bit while it's cooking, and then we'll be back. Okay, my cream cheese chicken is done now. And so we'll be back in just a minute. We're going to plate us up a plate and we'll come right back.
Okay, Marie, it's all done. Are you ready to eat?
I am, Calvin.
It looks like you did an excellent job on it here. Let me get you some first.
Calvin wanted Calvin wanted noodles. Marie wanted noodles of fettuccine, and then Calvin, he wanted cream potatoes.
Yeah.
And you can also serve this on rice. And if you don't want your chicken whole like that, you can also slice it up in little pieces and put it back in your sauce. And you can pick your favorite sides that you like to go with it.
Okay, Marie. And you can have some more sauce if you want it. But for right now, I'm going to get the smallest piece of chicken. And I almost dropped it. Okay. Let me get some of this sauce on it. That sauce really looks good.
Yeah, and this recipe will be in the description below. I do think I want another spoonful of sauce. Try to put it around my noodles.
Okay, Marie, and let me put you some bacon on top of it. I'll let you put how much bacon you want. I'm just going to put 2 small pieces on mine. But you can get as much as you like. That looks good, Marie. Okay, Marie, you ready to do a taste test?
Yes.
I decided to have potatoes with mine, and I've already sampled that sauce. It was really good. I'm going to try some of the sauce with the potatoes. Oh, wow, my. Oh, that's good. I could just have the sauce and the potatoes. I wouldn't even have to have any chicken, I don't think. That's good. We're also having broccoli with it. Don't know if I mentioned that or not.
It is very delicious.
Okay, I'm going to try a piece of chicken this time. Chicken was very tender. I just cut it right with my fork.
It's good. It's any pasta meal you get in an Italian restaurant. It's very good. It's very flavorful. That is a really good sauce recipe. That tea is good too. I'm not going to taste broccoli
I'll add some more sauce to mine.
for obvious reasons.
I love that sauce.
It's very delicious.
It's called a cream cheese sauce. Cream cheese chicken. And we made it for 2 people. I only cooked 3 little small chicken tenders. We got 1 chicken tender left over. We can either hype it later or we can have it individually. But man, this is good. Marie, you got anything else to add to this? I know
No, but it's just delicious.
It is unreal how good it is. I'm definitely going to add a little more sauce to it because that sauce is so good.
If you don't have anything else to say, I guess we can close our video out.
Well, what I did, I took the recipe, the original recipe, and I cut in half on some of the main ingredients. But for the sauce, I went ahead and made enough sauce that we'd have plenty left over because I felt like it was going to be that good. And so you could cut the sauce down if you didn't want to have this much sauce. But I think you need to go ahead and make all this sauce because that is good. I'm gonna try some with your noodles too, Marie, to see how I like it that way. But I love it with these potatoes. Okay, Marie, I'll let you go ahead and close it out, and we can get over there and enjoy our meal today.
Okay, y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. And I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the green in the spring. Let's go back a ways to the old bygone days and the simple time we lived back.